One fintech company is trying to snatch the spotlight from SoFi. In the red corner, Ally Financial Inc. is Buffett backed and has been in the game for ages. By that, we mean a century-old bank. And in the blue corner, startup fintech SoFi, who's been in business for just a decade. But does age really matter? Well, according to Toby over here, it doesn't. Both SoFi and Ally Financial offer a similar range of products in one place. If you're a fan of Warren Buffett, you may be team Ally Financial. But is the Ally juice really much more worth the squeeze than SoFi? In this video, we're going to go over the key differences between Ally Financial and SoFi. In this battle of the fintech, SoFi is moving around $7.48 a share at the time of recording this, while Ally Financial is around $44 per share, about $37 more than SoFi at the time of recording this. We're all aware that the fintech industry has had a serious and crazy ride over the past month. As an investor ourselves, with SoFi being our largest position, we know that companies that provide more value win in the long run. In this video, we're going over 3 key points that define the line between SoFi and Ally Financial. How did Warren Buffett end up with Ally Financial, and who is the real one-stop shop? Please note, we are not financial advisors and this is not financial advice, so always do your own due diligence. Number 1, Ally versus SoFi. A little company history. Did you know that this new addition to Warren's portfolio is way older than you might have thought? The company started around 1919, and even the Oracle of Omaha himself wasn't born yet. In 1919, Ally Financial was GMAC. We'll just call it GMAC, aka General Motors Acceptance Corporation. Yes, it's the same General Motors that Nikola once almost fooled for a $2 billion deal. Back then, GMAC's sole purpose was to help dealers finance and maintain their inventory and keep up with consumer demand. About 61 years later, GMAC released the first EV in the auto industry and expanded its line with mortgage products. Between 2000 to 2010, the transformation of GMAC to Ally Bank finally came to life, a typical fintech with no physical branch locations. After all, companies that failed to adapt to the digital times put themselves at risk of disappearing with the snap of a finger. In 2012, Ally Financial reached the milestone of having 1 million customer accounts, and 2 years after that, the company completed its IPO, which raised $2.38 billion. Today, Ally Financial isn't just a car refinancing company. It offers a lot of things like online banking, lending, home loans, auto financing, and wealth management. Sounds familiar, right? When Ally Financial went public, SoFi was just 3 years old.
Goo goo gaga.
In 2015, SoFi started offering mortgage and personal loans. 4 years later, SoFi Money and SoFi Invest were created. Last year, SoFi went public through a merger with Chamath's social capital Hedo Sophia Holdings Corp. Number 2, Ally Financial versus SoFi, core businesses. Let's get down to business, literally. Ally Financial has 3 primary business lines: dealer financial services, mortgage finance, and corporate finance. The dealer financial services is broken down into 2 categories: automotive finance and insurance segment. Most of Ally Financial's customers from this segment are automotive dealers, and some of them have been built throughout their 100-year history. On top of that, the insurance operations of Ally Financial focuses on consumer protection and insurance products through the automotive dealer channel, where their products are directly sold to dealers. A lot of people we know have actually gotten their auto financing through Ally. Ally Financial is also in mortgage finance, where Ally Financial helps its customers in the management of held for investment and held for sale consumer mortgage loan portfolios. Lastly, Ally's corporate finance segment, as the name suggests, this is where it provides senior secured leveraged cash flow and asset-based loans to middle market companies based in the US and owned by private equity sponsors. Ally Financial also offers Ally Invest, Ally Lending, and Ally Credit Card. There are a lot of similarities between the 2 companies. SoFi also has 3 business segments: lending, financial services, and its technology platform. Both SoFi and Ally Financial work on a member-centric approach and rely on cross-buying opportunities in their business. SoFi offers an all-in-one investing approach: personal loans, mortgages, credit card, insurance, crypto, credit score, and budgeting. If it's finance, they probably have it. And their forte since the beginning was student loan refinancing. Luckily, SoFi has also pivoted quite far away from that due to recent events and not so recent events. The main difference is that Ally Financial is focused more on auto lending, while SoFi is on student loans and loans in general. In short, history mattered. Number 3, Ally Financial versus SoFi. Figures. You know what they say, numbers talk. Now, you may be wondering how many customers Ally Financial has and how does it compare to SoFi? Ally Financial currently has more than 10.5 million people under its care, while SoFi has around 4 million members. which is about 38% of what Ally has. Since Ally has been operating for much longer than SoFi, they have a lot more to show for it. While SoFi is still operating at a series of improving losses with over $1.1 billion of adjusted net revenue and adjusted EBITDA of $35 million, Ally Financial, on the other hand, earned $8.4 billion in revenue last year. Ally Financial actually distributes dividends and in 2021 had an earnings per share of $8.61 and are already up by 131% compared to 2019. Ally Financial is currently valued at $14.23 billion valuation today, while SoFi is currently at $6.85 billion in market capitalization. Buffett and Berkshire Hathaway seem to be on a shopping spree now that inflation's eating away at the value of the cash on their balance sheets. For about $346 million, Warren bought 8.9 million shares of Ally Financial. People always make fun of Warren for being too conservative when investing in bull market and not taking enough risk. Those are also the same people that immediately sell when the market dips, while Warren is out there buying the street. Warren clearly prefers Ally Financial, but then again, Warren only buys sure things, even if that means less upside. Ally may currently be ahead of SoFi, but that's only natural considering that Ally is literally older than Warren Buffett, whereas SoFi has only been around for a decade. But SoFi does have something major on its side: insider. Insiders sell for many reasons, but buy for only one: they think the share price will go up. We'll just leave you with a record of Captain Noto buying more than 116,000 shares of SoFi just this month of May. At the time of recording this, SoFi CEO Anthony Noto even loaded up one more time in June. Comment down below who you think has more potential. If it's SoFi, then comment SoFi has more potential, and if it's Ally, comment Ally has more potential. Shout out to all of you who commented Noto saves SoFi. We appreciate your support and it truly helps with the YouTube algorithm. If you haven't already, be sure to check out our Sofi Stock private Discord chat where we have a SoFi options channel. You can see our price targets, buy ranges, how many shares of SoFi we have, how many options of SoFi we have, and all that jazz in our SoFi focused Patreon, which will be closing on June 5th. The link to that will be in the description and top pinned comment. Also, special shout out to everyone currently already in our Patreon community. You guys are awesome and truly help to make these videos possible. We really appreciate you guys. Shouts out to Arthur Magazu, Wei Chu, Pietro Serra, Daniel Corbett, Mr. Welfare, Casey Patel, Jeff Sherman, Gregory Villar, Bo Park, Denzel, Shonda, Reginald Davis, Les Broadway, Christian Cardelphi, Kevin Beaufrand, and Jay Bone. Anyways, ladies and gents, that wraps up today's video. We're trying to hit 4,000 subscribers and are currently at 3,931 or something like that. So if you happen to gain any value from this video, please smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to help us hit our goal of 4,000 subscribers. Anyways, thanks for watching. We greatly appreciate it. And until next time, peace.